All right, all right. What's up, y'all? I'm channeling my inner Richard Vane. If you guys follow my man on YouTube out of Florida, he's always dropping so much great content and he's just walking around. So I was like, you know what? Let me go do the same thing. So this is also a test. I don't know if I'm gonna post this content or not, but this is also a test video. So I'm testing out my audio. You see, I got a mic. Now you guys might be able to hear the cars driving in the background. I don't know if it's really super loud. You know, I don't know if I gotta mess around with my settings, but we'll see. But you know, I'm hoping that this, what I'm doing in this little short video is giving you guys a lesson. You know, people know that I've had a lot of success in government contracting. I've had success in home health care. I've had a success in some other things, but I wasn't always successful. You know, it took me many, many years. Like, I was looking back on my YouTube, on this channel alone. This channel was created back in I think it said 2013. This channel is 10 years old. You know, people think, oh, Wesley, you know, you made $38,000 from YouTube. That's amazing. Do y'all know this channel is 10 years old? Do y'all know I only started making money in 2021? And even then, if you go back to my old YouTube channel, I had a YouTube channel before this YouTube channel back when I was in college. So I've really been on YouTube since 2007, 2008. And I'm just now making money. And I don't want you guys to think that you got to go down a 10-year journey. But I want you to know is it's not going to be overnight when it comes to success in government contracting, when it comes to success in YouTube, when it comes through success in business. It's not going to be overnight. But you also got to understand that you just got to take the next step. You just got to press record. Some of y'all probably thinking like, Wesley, you got an ugly hat on. You got a blue sun protecting shirt on. You got a little fanny pack around your chest. You know, you're walking in Ohio, which is not the most glamorous, you know, it's not Florida. You know, you're not, you know, and you're putting content out there. Like, Wesley, why don't you wait till you have a cool outfit on? Or why don't you wait till, you know, you're living in Florida? Why don't you wait and wait? The lesson I want to give you guys today is just decide and take action. That's it. Like, people always wonder like, oh, Wesley, I've been on SAM.gov for, and again, this is for government contracted people. If you're not in government contracting, sorry, we got a bunch of cars driving by. But people always say, oh man, I've been government contracting for, you know, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. I've never won a contract. What am I doing wrong? And I know this is gonna come obvious. I say, how many proposals have you submitted? And they say, well, I haven't did any, because I'm still trying to build confidence on how to do it. So I haven't submitted any. Same thing with YouTube. I see people that say, I want to make money on YouTube. What? You got one video that got you 30,000 subscribers and, oh, you got this much money coming in? Oh man, that's gotta feel nice. That gotta be cool. How do I make money on YouTube? And I always tell them the same thing. Pull out your cell phone that's in your pocket and press record. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Pull out your cell phone in your pocket and press record. And people say, well, I gotta think of my niche. I gotta think of my niche. I gotta write down a script. I gotta go buy a camera. I gotta go buy lights, microphones. I gotta go get all this equipment, and, you know, and I gotta have it all right first before I do my video, because my video's gotta be this highly produced, highly amazing thing. And I'm just like, you wasting your time. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. If that's you, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time. Like, just, you're not gonna be successful because you don't have the confidence. And again, I don't understand that some of y'all are like, Wesley, I'm just afraid to be in front of the camera. That I get. If someone's just straight up honest to me and say, Wesley, I'm just afraid to start because I'm afraid to be in front of the camera. Or Wesley, I'm just afraid to submit a proposal because I'm afraid to be wrong. I'm afraid to not have success. I'm afraid of a no. That I can understand. That I can like, okay, I feel you. Let's get it. Let's change your mindset. Let's get it. But most of y'all like, well, no, once I get my website launched, I'm gonna go ahead and do that YouTube thing. Or once I get my LLC, my YouTube website, once I get all this stuff set up, then I'm gonna go ahead and submit a proposal. Or, you know, yeah, I wanna do business. Oh my goodness, y'all, I can go on a rant, but I'm not gonna go on a rant. This video is like 5 minutes and 30 seconds right now. I don't wanna go on a rant. I don't wanna go that long. I'm gonna stay on topic. I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna stay on topic. Because I had a few conversations with somebody today, actually today and every day, and I'm hearing a trend. A lot of people are telling me, oh man, if I can just be good, if you could just teach me that business thing that you do, Wes, if you can just, you know, teach it to me, I can change my family's life. I got 5 kids, I got 4 kids, I got 3 kids, I got mouths to feed. You know, some people say I'm down on my luck. I don't have a job. I just lost my job, or I hate my job. I hear this every day. And they always say, man, if you could just, you know, tell me how to do it, then I can change my family's life. And I tell them all the same thing. It's not the how-to that you need. It's the, are you gonna take action on the material that you know? Because I'll tell people, do A, B, C, D, A to Z. And they'll be like, oh, okay, yeah. If you do A to Z, you could be a millionaire in 12 months. A millionaire in 12 months. They like, oh, got it, okay. Yeah, but if I just had, and then they make excuses like, well, my internet's down. You know, the kid is sick. I got a flat tire. Like, then they hit you with the excuses, but I'm just like, whoa. Earlier, you just told me you just wanted to know A to Z what to do. And I just gave you A to Z. If this is helping anyone, I mean, please leave a comment below. Let me know if this is giving you any value. If you guys want to hear the mindset of Wes Fisher more often, let me know. I was just watching a YouTube video last night of a guy named Wes. His name was Wes as well. Damn. I can't think of his name. His last name. Wes, was it Wes Carlton? Wes, I think it was Wes Watson or something like that. Guys, the video blew my mind. It let me know that I am dragging my feet. I can tell you guys this guy's story. Look him up. His name is Wes. He's a fitness guy. He got out of prison about, I think, 4 or 5 years ago. He had just got out of prison. He did 10 years in prison for, you know, drug sales, crime, violence, all that good stuff. He got out of prison. 5 years later, I'm watching this YouTube video, looking at his house, in his $30 million house in San Diego. Lamborghini Urus, Lamborghini SVJ, Lamborghini Huracan, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and probably some other cars in the $30 million house in San Diego, mind you. This is California, so you got taxes. And this man is like, I did that in 5 years. And here's the kicker, y'all. He came out of prison with $200 in his pocket. Because when you get out of prison, I think they said they put I forget what they call it, release money in your pocket. They put release money in his pocket. They gave him $200. Now, he's got more to his story. You guys look him up. He's got more to his story than I'm going to summarize. But the thing is, he got out of jail, and 5 years later, he's living in a $30 million house. What's your excuse? Maybe I'm talking to myself right now, and I kind of am talking to myself. What's your excuse? Oh, my kid was sick. Okay. Did you spend 10 years in jail did you spend the last 10 years in jail? Well, no. Okay, then what's your excuse? And again, I'm not getting in a measuring contest. I'm not trying to say someone else's obstacle is worse than someone else's obstacle. I'm just trying to bring it to your attention that he spent 10 years in jail, got out 5 years later, he's in a $30 million mansion, all paid for, by his coaching, his mentorship. And he does physical. I mean, I don't know him that well. I just found out about him yesterday, but he does physical training. He does mindset training. He does all types of stuff. So I hope you guys got some value out of this. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm probably gonna be posting more videos if this audio turns out really well. I'll post more videos like this. If you don't like videos like this, I understand. You know, unsubscribe, no big deal. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.